So in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up Flow in the Logi Options Plus app. Now for this, you need to ensure that you've done a couple of things beforehand. You need to ensure that you have Logi Options Plus installed on both devices you want to set up Flow on. And you need to ensure that both devices are connected to the same Logitech device, whether it's a mouse like this MX Master 4 or even just a keyboard. And also, you need to ensure that both devices are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If they're not, just quickly go ahead and switch the necessary device to the correct Wi-Fi network. Now, once you've done all of that, now the next step is to just open Logi Options Plus on any of the two devices. So go ahead and launch it. And then from here, once you've successfully launched the app, you're just going to go ahead and select your Logitech device. Once you've selected it, simply choose the option Flow and then select Setup Now. It will tell you to install Options Plus, pair with device on different channels, and connect to the same network. So just click on Continue and then let it search for any computers. Once it's successfully found the computer, you should see it listed right here, and you'll see it says successfully connected. So you can just click on Continue, and now you'll have your current device that you're using, and it will be labeled this computer. And then you'll have the other one, which is this PC that I'm currently connected to. So you can choose to rearrange the devices so that the computer you're currently using will be the primary. And then you can now start using Flow. Now, if you want to customize Flow so that it suits your settings more, if you don't feel comfortable having to drag your mouse cursor to the edge of one screen so that you can enter the other and vice versa, then all you need to do is simply start by going to the Flow section on the Logitech, on the Logi Options Plus app on either device, and then choose Flow. And then from here, just select the device you want to customize settings for and choose More Settings. Next, you can now choose to customize the Flow settings to your liking, whether you can choose to enable or disable copy paste. You want to switch computers easier instead of moving the cursor to the edge so that it can now appear on the other screen. You want to just hold Control and then move the cursor to the edge. So now if you have a keyboard, you can hold Control and move the cursor to the edge, and that will automatically switch you to the next screen. Or you can just stick with the default option that you have. If you want to link a compatible keyboard to this Flow system, then you can also choose to click on Flow compatible keyboard and then follow through with those step-by-step instructions. You can do the same thing with the other device, but with this case, you actually have to move to that specific window. And then from here, just select your device, More Settings, and then customize to your heart's desire. If you wish to end Flow, just click on this toggle at the top and the Flow system will be successfully disabled. If you enable it again, it will automatically connect the exact same devices as long as they're connected to the same network, same Logitech item, and yes, so that's it. If you have any questions or comments that you'd like to leave down below, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.